Very last fragment was
TLDR.
TLDR, which stands for
Time, Location, Direction, Relation.
Time, Location, Direction, Relation. So a time, location, direction, relation word is a word that tells you about
Time, Location, Direction, or Relation.
And a TLDR fragment is made up of
a TLDR word and a noun that comes after
a
it.
TLDR word and a noun that comes after it. And guess what? In Arabic,
It's the exact same?
it's exactly the same. Right? It's exactly the same. A TLDR phrase in Arabic is made up of a TLDR word and a noun.
Okay.
Right? And the TLDR words are sectioned off for you in your Chapter 3 vocab, so memorize them.
Okay.
Right? And if you have them memorized, guess what?
It's easy to recognize a fragment.
Right? It's easy to recognize a TLDR fragment. All you have to know is your TLDR words, and you spot it, see the noun after it, and you have your TLDR phrase.
Okay.
All clear?
Yep.
Ready to look at some examples?
Yeah.
Okay, so ma'allah, right? Ma'allah. Ma'a is one of our
TLDR words.
TLDR words, and then the word Allah is a
Noun.
noun, so we have a
TLDR phrase.
TLDR phrase, and how are we going to translate it?
Ma'a was with,
With,
so just with Allah.
just with Allah. That's it. Easy peasy. Bikum. B.
Was our TLDR word.
B is a TLDR word, and then
Kum is its noun.
yeah,
It's
kum is a
attached
noun that
pronoun.
follows it. So translation,
With you all.
yep, with you all. Just translates straight. No catches, nothing complicated. Fil bayti.
Fi was in.
Mm-hmm.
And al-bayt is the house, so in
Yep.
the house.
In the house. Good. Baina nasi.
Baina was between,
Between or
among.
among, right? Between or among,
So between the people or among the people.
which makes more sense.
Among the people.
Yeah, among the people. عندنا.
Inda was the TLDR word,
Uh-huh.
and that is its noun.
Mm-hmm.
And Inda meant near,
Near. Yeah.
so near us.
Yep, near us. على الرسول.
Ala was the TLDR word,
Mm-hmm.
and al-rasuli is its noun.
Mm-hmm.
So ala rasuli is upon the prophet.
Yeah, upon the prophet. Or upon the messenger. Good. Straightforward enough?
Yeah.
Good. So you ready to add out some extra information?
There's extra?
There's extra. Just a little bit, though.
Okay.
We have a few special notes on some of the TLDRs, because a few changes happen here and there, but we'll look at them, and it's also as easy peasy as what we just did. So first special note is on the TLDR li, which means
four.
right, means four. And so the deal with li is that when li, the TLDR, has a pronoun attached to it, the li becomes ala, right? So that kasra just jumps to the top, becomes a fatha. Right, so let's look at some normal examples. We see li qawmihi, li ajalin, li masjidin. So when li is connected to a normal noun, it stays li,
Okay.
right? But if you look at the second column, we have lahu, lana, lakum, the la, or the li, right? The TLDR is attaching to a
Pronoun.
pronoun. And what do you notice about the harakat here?
It's instead of e, so it's lahu, lana, lakum.
Exactly, right? So when you have a la or a li attaching to a pronoun, what happens to the haraka?
It becomes a a.
Yeah, the li becomes a la, right? So it just jumps to the top, right?
Okay.
The haraka jumps to the top.
But it's still the same word and it has the same meaning and everything.
Yeah, still the same word, still the same meaning. It's just that the haraka changes.
Okay.
And there's no particular reason why. It just happens that way.
Okay.
And so, reason we're pointing this out is because you memorized li, right, in your table of TLDRs. And so we don't want you to miss this, right? If you see lahu, lana, lakum, right? We don't want you to miss it.
Okay.
Still a TLDR.
Okay.
And
Still
those
the
are-
TLDR with the same meaning.
Yep, still a TLDR, still with the same meaning. It's just that the haraka has hopped up.
Okay.
And that's it. And these are really common in the Quran, right? This is one of the most common TLDRs, and it very commonly attaches to pronouns. So
Okay.
you'll see this all over the place. Clear?
It's like in the surah Lam yakun lahu kufuwan. Is that what that is?
Exactly. لم يكن له كفوا أحد. That's our TLDR phrase.
Oh,
له.
that's cool.
Oh, pretty cool, eh? Okay. And then there's one more special note on li,
Okay.
and that is that when the li comes before a word with the alif lam on it, it'll end up eating the alif. So you see here, li plus al-qawm becomes lil qawm. You notice that the alif just kind of dropped here?
Okay.
So if you see that little squiggly U-looking thing, you know that you have a li plus a alif lam.
Okay.
So li plus al makes lil.
Lil. And so this would still so the al is still there in its meaning. It's just that the alif is gone.
Exactly. It's a script. It's a script thing, right?
So it doesn't change the meaning. It's just that we're saying so it's still for the nation, right? But it's just that we don't have the alif there anymore.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's just a change in the script.
Okay.
Right? It's just a change in the script, not in the meaning.
Okay.
Right? Not in the meaning. Here's another common one for you. Li plus Allah. Right? Li plus Allah becomes lillahi. Right? Lillahi. So you see that little U-shaped thing there? That tells us it's li plus al. Right? And the first two letters in Allah are alif and lam. Right? So that's how you end up with the lil. Lillahi. Very common in the Quran as well. Lillahi.
So this is like Fatiha, Alhamdulillahi.
Exactly. Alhamdulillahi.
Okay, praise for Allah.
Yeah, praise is for Allah. Right? Praise is for Allah. We clear on that?
Okay.
Li plus al makes lil.
Li plus al makes lil.
Okay. And then just one more special note on TLDRs. So our two TLDRs, ala and ila, remind me what they mean? Ala
Upon
and ila?
towards.
Yeah, to or towards. Notice that they both end in a, this alif maqsura. Right, is what we call alif maqsura, this a. So when these two words, when these two TLDRs attach to a pronoun, or when they have an attached pronoun, the a becomes a ya. Right, the a becomes a ya.
So pronouns are kind of troublemakers, it looks like.
Exactly. Pronouns with TLDRs, kind of troublemakers. So we look at our first column. Here you have normal examples, right? Ala and ila plus a normal noun. Ala al-ard, ila al-maut, ala al-bahr, right? The ala and ila look normal. But if we look in the second column, we have them attached to pronouns. And what do you notice about the ala and the ila? It becomes
Alay.
alay and
Ilay.
ilay, right? So that a becomes a yeah, right? The a becomes a yeah. That clear? Okay, so let's look at some examples. Lil mu'minina. Can you tell me what's happening here? What do we know when we see this little U-shaped thing?
We said li plus al makes lil. So this is the TLDR li and al. So this is for the believers.
Good. For the believers. Good. Okay. Lillahi.
That was li plus the word Allah.
Li plus al.
So like alhamdulillahi. That was for Allah.
Yep. For Allah. Good. Next one. Lakum. Lakum. Was la one of our TLDRs?
So our TLDR li becomes la when a pronoun attaches to it.
Good, perfect. So li becomes la when it attaches to a pronoun. Does that change the meaning in any way?
No, it's the same thing, just the li became a la.
Yeah, so how are we going to translate it?
For you all.
Exactly, for you all. Okay. Alayna. What's the TLDR here?
Ala.
Right, ala, but why is it alay?
Because there's a pronoun attached to it.
Yeah,
pronouns are troublemakers with some TLDR words.
Exactly. And how do we translate?
Upon me.
Me, what's na?
Us. Upon us.
And then how do we say me?
Yeah.
Ya or ni, right? Na is us. Ilaykum.
Ila. So the TLDR is ila, but it turned into ilay because it has a pronoun attached to it.
Exactly.
So ilaykum would be towards you all.
Yeah, to or towards you all. And then our last one here. Laha. Laha. What's happening here?
So the TLDR is li, but because it has a pronoun attached to it, it becomes la. And so laha is for her.
Good, perfect. For her. Are we all clear?
Yep.
Recap of TLDR. So a TLDR phrase is made up of?
A TLDR word plus a noun.
TLDR word plus a noun. And then we had some special notes, right? We had a few special notes on li. So li, when it attaches to a pronoun,
becomes la.
Becomes a la. And then li, when it attaches to a word with a al, becomes?
Lil.
Lil, right? Lil. Then we had some special notes on ala and ila. So the a in ala and ila becomes a ya when?
A pronoun attaches to it.
When a pronoun attaches to it.